Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a 50X potential crypto pick. So guys, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So for those of you that have already been watching, that are subscribed, you already know about this project, and that is going to be DEGA. Okay, so we got into the ISPO a long time ago, so I haven't covered DEGA for a while. We had other low cap projects I just didn't want to focus too much attention on because, as you know, crypto's risky. Some projects failed. Some, I don't even know how to explain what happened to them. We're not going to use the M word in this video. But guys, DEGA we were in very early, and the power of getting into an ISPO is that, yes, you forfeit your Cardano rewards, but you get airdropped, or you can at least claim tokens to a new project that hasn't come out yet, and you're supporting that project by forfeiting your reward. So an initial stake pool offering is powerful that way. So it allows for projects to thrive, to grow, to hire employees. And what I liked about DEGA is that they followed through on everything that they said they were going to do. So I've been watching them in the background. If I can share with you guys here, I'm holding all of my DEGA tokens. I'm claiming, and they've been very transparent. So Crypto Crow recently did an interview with Carlos, and there's a lot of good info. So I have 1.6 million DEGA, so I do own a ton of DEGA. I'm staking it, and I'm going to be sharing that with you all. So I want to talk about why I believe it could 50x, and we'll get into some rational reasons here. So first off, we're January 15th, 2024. Guys, I believe Cardano is going to 10x from around here. So I just put out a video on the channel. It's going to be uploading or processing soon. So if you guys take a look under videos, you guys will see it right around here. So furthermore as well, if you look at DEGA, I've had videos over a year ago talking about DEGA, the reward dashboard, how to claim your DEGA collections NFTs, how to claim DEGA. So I'm going to be doing an updated version. I already screen recorded how to claim. So if you guys did participate in the ISPO, I have videos showing you how to claim. So what is DEGA and how to participate in the ISPO? I've done videos a year ago, how to delegate to the DEGA ISPO. So for those of you that did that, congrats. So DEGA, okay, let's get into this project for a minute. So here's a token, and just looking at it price-wise, okay, we are at, what is it? Not even $1 million market cap. Price has been suppressed for a while, so there's a vesting period. Basically, you can claim a certain amount of tokens over time, which is good. Otherwise, you see this, right, where the price just immediately dumps, right? I believe we're going to see a more stable DEGA price. And guys, for a project that has the AI narrative, right, that helps games, right, that helps fulfill a lot of the complexity with the coding and whatnot, this is a big deal. So if you guys go to the website, you can use it here. I already had that open. But here, we're creating the world's easiest AI game builder. Your story, your world. And a big one here is going to be with agents. So AI agents, another big part of the narrative. Okay. So here, no code, access to global marketplace. So guys, if you haven't claimed your DEGA tokens, go to the website, click on claim DEGA, or go to the link tree. I have this pinned in every YouTube description, as well as under the comments. Here you can go to DEGA Realms NFT, take you to the exact same website, okay? So if you guys did want to pick some up, you can get these element NFTs. They're really cool. So here, if I connect one of my wallets, I might give you guys a quick little explainer on how to claim. So connect your wallet. I've only been able to do it with the NAMI, but I also did a tutorial on how to bind, okay? So when you click on claim, here you will see your rewards. So I just did this last night. But if you go to address binding, you can bind. So I do have a tutorial on the channel coming for that. So be out on the look for that, okay? So with DEGA, There's so much potential for a project that hits on AI. There's nothing else like it. This is going to be big. This is going to be big. So you'll be able to have a flawless experience, and you don't have to learn all the complexities that go into crypto. So I believe agents, when it comes, this will be big. We'll be talking about that a lot more. But when I look at overall just crypto projects, like guys, looking at DEGA, if you want to pick some up, go to ViFi. So here, ViFi, DEGA. And yeah, you can see it already starting to pump a little bit here. So I mean, if you guys put in 100 ADA, or if Moose does, I don't care what you guys do, you get 290,000 DEGA. So that's pretty sweet. So I see a lot of potential here. You could also use the vault. You guys can stake. So it's kind of funny because sometimes I'll go to the vault and I'm like, I just stumble across like 500,000 tokens, or I'll go to and like recover a wallet. I'm like, man, I got like half a Bitcoin on there. So it's pretty nice. But guys, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on DEGA. Do you believe it? And yeah, I'm giving some hopium. I did comment that I put a DEGA 100x in 2025. Man, the Moose is trying to get the word of DEGA out there. I mean, I am a token holder, so like, let's be honest, right? So definitely really cool. But guys, hits on the AI narrative, helps game fulfill a lot of the complexity. So guys, when you're building, let's say you're like cornucopias, right? Which we talk about a lot. Onboarding new users into crypto is tough because you got to set up a wallet. They're confused with NFTs, how it works. Well, with DEGA, they're simplifying that process. So you're going to have more of a, when you download an app, you just do step by steps. You don't see the underlying code. You don't have to have a private key, etc., to play the game. So there's a lot of benefits to that and more, right? So I'm bullish on DEGA. I like the team. They've been around. They've been doing what they're saying they're going to do. There could be massive volatility with the price of this project, but definitely something that if it got to a 50 million market cap, I would not be surprised. If it hit 100 million and 100x, I wouldn't be that surprised, okay? So guys, that being said, check out the link tree. If you guys want, you can get loose on a hardware wallet. We got links to everything. Right now, Tangem. Tangem's the flavor of the week. It's the flavor of the month, flavor of the year, flavor of the day for the Moose. Definitely the ring. So guys, save 10% off using code Moose. We also have online courses. So people have been loving this free Cardano mini course. If you're confused about ADA, non-custodial wallets, etc., take that. If you want to learn more, if you're serious about this, you guys have time. Trump's not in yet. When he gets in, when the administration starts passing legislation, it's going to be a big deal. So you want to learn. You got to be educated, right? Like the Moose. So what I hear on Trailer Park Boys, it's not rocket applications. You guys can figure it out. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Cheers, everybody.